Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make chilaquiles. They're probably like really funky. Really. Yes ma'am. I do that. Just don't do what I do. Okay. This is what chilaquiles are, you guys. Because I have a few friends, they don't mention no names. So I was like, you're always eating chilaquiles. What the fuck is that? Why am I mentioning? Excuse this, you guys. That's just water. Got that. Anyhow. I'm going to teach you guys how to make chilaquiles, okay? So, this is chilaquiles. A lot of people make them different ways. This is just the way I make it right here. And a little bit more oil. It's okay. It's not bad oil. It's olive oil. No, so what you do right here is get you some tortillas. I like mine kind of crunchy, so just work it all up in there. Angela, I know you're gonna be watching this because I always tell you I'm gonna show you how to make these. Now they be like, oh, why people don't know how to do that? Girl, you more Mexican than me. Calm your ass. Anyhow, so what you get, you guys, is some tortillas. You cut them up. Nothing special. You put them in oil, any kind of oil you like. Doesn't really matter. You see how they're a little bit burnt right there? That's how I like mine. You get some wings. You cut them up into how many ever pieces you want. And you just let them bake. Or cook or whatever. I like my stuff to have little burnt marks on them. So I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit, like that. Meanwhile, I got me 2 huevos right here. Nothing special, no damn organic huevos, nothing like that. Just 2 damn huevos. And what you gonna do is put it in there. I know depending on like how you were raised or so forth, you make it different kind of ways, but this is just the way I make them and the way my family makes them. I know some people put what's it called? What's it called? Chingada. They put tomato sauce in them. Go funky. Go funky. You crack an egg with your milk. And they put tomato sauce and stuff in it. I don't. I like them like that too, don't get me wrong. And then you just swirl it all around. Let the huevito get all over it. Like that. You know what? I need another egg because I like mine with a lot of egg. This is pretty hard, you guys. I should have my own cheap cooking show. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I know how to cook too. I may not know how to cook all authentic Mexican food and shit, but I know how to cook with most people. Some of my friends, they have wives that can cook. Don't even know how to make a fucking huevo estrellado. No chingues. So you just let it cook. And that's it, you guys. So I don't want to be hearing you guys talk about, oh my god, I'm so hungry and I don't have nothing to eat, so I have to go eat fast food all the time. Because I have friends like that, you guys, que nunca comen in su house. Like, bitch, really? You can't make a damn huevo? Chill out. I mean, don't get me wrong, I eat a lot of fast food sometimes. But shit, sometimes I just want a little huevito. So, what do I eat this with? Ketchup. And guess what else? Tapatio. And that's all you need. And salsa, you can add salsa. I add salsa too, but I don't think I have any. And that's it, you guys. That's your fucking chilaquiles, Elena style. Simple as fuck. Chinga, you saw that, right? No, you didn't. But yeah, so no excuses. I hate when people are like, I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook either, bitch. Shit. Make your damn huevo. Easy as fuck, you guys. Easy as fuck. Bye. Hope you like this.